How to mix and apply adhesive. If there is one job which is important to get right, it's applying the adhesive for tiles on walls and floors. But, with a little practice, it's easy to get the hang of it. Always check the advice on the adhesive for any specific instructions. You'll find a full list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. Make sure surfaces are prepped before tiling. Check all plaster is completely dry, and use primer on plywood or plaster surfaces. The kind of wall you are tiling will dictate the kind of adhesive you use. Always check manufacturer's instructions. We're going to use a rapid set tile adhesive. It comes as a powder and must be mixed with water according to the manufacturer's instructions. In this case, add twice the amount of powder to water. Then, use a drill with a mixing paddle to mix the adhesive into a thick paste with no lumps. If using old adhesive from a previous project, make sure it is not out of date. To begin tiling, use a trowel to scoop enough adhesive to cover about a square meter and apply to the wall. Spread the adhesive, then use the notched spreader to get an even covering. Place your first tile on the batten, giving it a slight twist to really bed it into the adhesive. Now, place the next tile alongside, slotting in spaces between the tiles to maintain equal gaps. Continue placing whole tiles across the wall, making sure they are still aligned to your batten. Place spaces between the tiles as you go. Check periodically that the tiles are flat and level using a spirit level. If they are not, you may have to remove the tile and scrape some adhesive off, or add extra to even out the surface. Then, carefully wipe the tiles with a damp sponge to remove any adhesive that is on the surface and clear out excessive adhesive in between the tiles in the grout lines too. If the adhesive has dried, you can loosen it with warm soapy water. For more help on tiling, see the other films in this series. Here is a list of the tools you'll need to mix and apply adhesive. And here's the materials you will use. And this is the safety equipment.